This song was created using the N-Track Studio app.
Do not let 23andMe collect your DNA. If the government wants a sample of your DNA and you won't submit any sample of your DNA, then this company has the right to sell your DNA. If your cousin, aunt, uncle, or brother caught an open case, homicide will contact company to try to close their case. This becomes evidence that they're later used to implicate you or any blood relative who shares your DNA. Why are whites so obsessive with black people DNA? They experiment and study on black people DNA. Have you heard of Henrietta Lacks or her DNA? This the type of news they don't report to you on GMA. It is true, cancer grew within the sister's punane. Doctors didn't save her life, but they did save her DNA. Question is, what did they do with Henrietta's DNA? Pharmaceutical company cancer drugs were being made. Whites were using Henrietta's cells and were getting paid. Problem is, Henrietta didn't know these cells were saved. Henrietta's cells had some very special DNA. The key to fighting cancer was found in this sister's DNA. Anthropologists are scientists who study DNA. They say Africa is birthplace of all human DNA. We should celebrate and love all our people DNA. Black is dominant, but white, that's recessive DNA. Black women, yeah, take pride in your DNA. The mother of civilization, that's what's in your DNA. Stem cells and placenta used to study DNA. Did you know the things you eat, it can change your DNA? Additives and preservatives can alter DNA. Pesticides in drinking water also harms your DNA. They wanna kill us off only cause they fear our DNA. The black man is God, they say it's written in the DNA.
This is why I say that hip-hop has done more damage to young African Americans than racism in recent years.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I think the bigger intermediate term danger is actually more like the CRISPR technology in biology, which allows us to make very, very dangerous pathogens in a way that it's almost inconceivable. I mean, that you could create genetic modifications that would essentially affect 100%. You can eliminate genetic diversity. If a chromosome has 2 places where there can be a gene, you can use this technology to drive them both to be the same. So you could say, go into a population and make every offspring male or something. I mean, far, far beyond that. And that's really, really dangerous.
Scientists have found proof of God in the code of DNA. But what did they found in the DNA code that made them believe in the existence of God? Can that computer program be written without an intelligent programmer by itself, by chance? No. So how can we think that this incredibly long code of 3 billion letters that is unbelievably complex and the densest storage of information in the universe can be written without any super intelligence behind it? Who is that programmer? That must be no one other than the God itself. Therefore, according to many scientists, God has shown its presence in the DNA code by showing his infinite intelligence. For many researchers, this is the proof of God placed inside every cell of our body.
Work release.